Namaskar friends, Corona crisis is going on like anything and everyone is suffering, especially the downtrodden class of the society who are at the lowest rung of the society, especially the daily wage earners. The labor class, they are suffering a lot. If you can do anything for them, please do. We are requesting you with folded hands. We have already made prediction about the approximate end period of corona. When corona will end, we have already predicted after being compelled by the millions of predictions made by the so-called astrologers. Initially we were hesitant. We didn't want to make any prediction just because there is a logic, because when you make any emphatic statement, it affects the collective consciousness, it affects the cosmic energies, the signals goes into cosmic energies and it takes as granted. So initially we are hesitant, but when a lot of confusion prevailed and people asked us, we have already made a statement and prediction when corona crisis will end. So you can see that prediction in our earlier videos. Nowadays again we are being asked again when the lockdown will end. People are suffering due to lockdown, but you should take it as a necessary evil, because there is no vaccine till date of the corona. So the only thing you can do is to save yourself from the infection of the coronavirus, to keep distance from the any possible person or object which is affected or afflicted with coronavirus. So the lockdown is the ultimate remedy. We are such a huge population, we cannot do we cannot do testing of each and every person. So lockdown is the necessary evil. You should accept it as it is. So regarding request of prediction about the end of lockdown, we have already made predictions about this, but after getting repeated requests, we are again saying that lockdown will end only around when Mars will enter Pisces from the Aquarius. Mars will transit from Aquarius to Pisces on 18th June, and we have already declared that this will be the end of lockdown, and this will be the end of sufferings of common people to some extent. And there is another logic here that Venus, which is Lord of the Indian horoscope of India, is getting retrograde on 13th May, and it will remain retrograde in motion up to 25 June. So from 13th May, the government will start to roll down its decisions, its restrictions, and it will end up to 25th June. So from both the parameters, from Mars it is 18th June, and from Venus it is 25th June. So I expect that around 15 to 25 June the whole lockdown will end, and it is our prediction, and you should plan accordingly. From 13th June, the process of lockdown will start to getting reversed in the phased manner, and after 15th June and between 15th to 25 June, the whole lockdown process will end like anything. So we remain prepared for the lockdown. Until then, my best wishes for you. Remain healthy, remain safe, do not wander anywhere without any reason, and take care of the whole society who is just below you. Thank you. Namaskar.